We are very excited to announce the very first real estate conference in North Alabama. It is the Southern Charm Real Estate Conference. This event will have awesome speakers from all over the country. You will learn from how to use creative financing to how to create generational wealth. What is the purpose of having this event? We truly want to help as many as we can to get started in real estate, to increase their cash flow, to help them in their business, and most importantly is to help them create generational wealth. The conference will be held at the Lodge at Lake Guntersville. This location is overlooking one of the biggest and longest lakes in North Alabama. You will have several lodging options. You could either stay at the lodge, or you could choose to stay at two other locations. The first one is about a 10-minute drive to the Asbury Tiny Homes Village. You could have your own tiny home and enjoy the country-style living. The other location, Not Working Tiny Town, is further down the mountain. It is about a 30-minute drive. This location has tiny homes on wheels. Either location you pick, you will have a wonderful experience and stay. If you are flying into the area, Huntsville International Airport is the one to fly into. More details will be coming soon. I hope you start making plans to join us. We have decided to limit the seating for this event. Be ready to reserve your spot once we announce all the important details. Rest assured this will be a great event with some awesome people. All are successful entrepreneurs. This event is all about giving you a lot of value, networking opportunities, and hopefully help you in your business. We look forward to see you in the wonderful state of Alabama. Our contact information is on the screen. Please feel free to contact us anytime. Go ahead and get on our email list for this event. Just send us an email and we will add you to the list. That would be a great start. We will also be looking for sponsors. Please do contact us about sponsorship opportunities. We are very excited to host this awesome event. See you soon. Have a nice day.